Molweni bethunana. Hayi, elamanqamu lifikile elamanqamu. Umseleko's 50th birthday. Uthena 50-ke uMthombeni. Happy birthday kuye Nkosi yami. Siyabona ke abantu hayi bafikile bonke abantu kumnandi omayeni uMakhumalo noMangwabe bagqine bafika nje, but even though they got there late and then sekukhulunywa izpeech and everything, akadeleli umpumelelo, disrespecting omabake like who does he think he is mara telling phela ngabomama bakhe bonke laba. Even though he was born biologically by uMayeni, it doesn't mean ukubana uMakhumalo, uMacele noMangwabe akubona omama bakhe. They raised him. So for him to be speaking in that manner, already abaxelele ukubana he doesn't like things that are happening in KwaMseleko homestead. Hebana, who is this one manje? Is he the man of the house? Umusa Mseleko must be the one speaking about that, not Umpumelelo. Umpumelelo is just a child, Nkosi yami. He is just a child. Kahle Umpumelelo must be focusing on his own life, on his own amakhosikazi wake awafunako, because yena noTirelo, they look pretty much happy since uVuyokazi Ncweni left. They look so much happier. I guess nje they could not stand the heat of having uVuyokazi. Nangu lo Mpumelelo awanonela amakhosikazi katata wake. Why is he speaking in such a manner of disrespecting omama bake? At the end of the day, they raised him, guys. Like, he cannot be speaking in that manner of telling them ukubana he doesn't like what is happening. I feel like he's out of line. Ibile, I don't feel like that is the right time or the place of bringing up such conversations. I feel like that must be on a separate family meeting for him to actually say ukubana I need all my mothers here and ubaba, this is 1 2 3 ayingiphathi kakuhle ukubana this is happening. Nkosi yami, it's i-birthday katatako. Can we just celebrate and be happy? Kanti abanye abantu banjani vele ukubana there are people that like that does not have boundaries to the speech, what you have to say, when and where. Why sekahlanganisa into zombili? Don't forget to like and subscribe.